Move for two. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Move for two. 15 seconds to shoot. Revillame. Pinasa lalim. Out of bounds. Still by number 29. And this. Still by number 31. Narona, for three. Iwan ka number 31. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. One for two, official score. 4-2. Silva number 30. And this. Padeng-deng. 8 for 2. Foul. 0-0. First personal foul. First team foul. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Wow! 30. Good for two. Remaining time 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Revillame. Good for two. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Narona. Iwan kay Nabuset. Good for two. Official score 8-6. Favor Aymar North. Steal. Out of bounds. Same ball. Good for two. Remaining time 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Fast break. Revillame. No good. Narona. No good. Remaining time 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Foul again. 0-0. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Remember the best pass break to Revillame. Good for two. Official score 12-6 in favor of Carmine North. Remaining time 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Better shot, no good. Same ball. 10-7 shot clock. Verona. For 3. Go for 2. Represent. For 3. Official score 14-12 in favor of Carmine North. Time 3 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. And this, Pagkakalaban. Pass to Verona. Good for 2. Deadlock 14. Number 13. Iwan Mendes. Mendes again. Wow! Number 31 is your first personal foul. First. Go for 1. Official score 15-14 in favor of Carmine North. Remaining time 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Foul. Number 29 is your first personal foul, 13 foul. Good for 2. Official score 17-14. Remaining time 2 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. Good for 2. Wow. 21 is your first personal foul, second team foul.
Ay, bukas may pasok kami kasi. Wala! Wala daw ba? Wala, first lang bukas. First lang daw.
Wow. Remaining time 1 minute and 40 seconds. Official score 18-16 in favor of Carmine North. No good. Good for 2. Deadlock 18. Remaining time 1 minute and 25 seconds. Nag-handed, no good. Walang bumper. Official score 20-18 in favor of Team Bagong Looba. Spin moves. Remaining time 1 minute. Looba. 15 seconds to shoot. Looba. Remaining time 45 seconds. Down. Number 14. First personal foul, third team foul. Then 20.
Ba't ang kulit yung nandito kanina? Ganyan.
Good for two. Official score.
Wala pa naman present eh.
22-20. Two drops ng Lamor. Remaining time 35 seconds. Corona. The press. Foul. Third personal foul, third team foul. A fourth team foul. Good for two. Penalty na daw po. Ang
Yan.
kalma. Remaining time 20 seconds. Ibig kami.
Wala pa pa kayo pwede ko.
Ang foul.
Hindi kasama dalili eh. Wala pa nga.
Ibig kami. Maroon. 10 seconds.
Ay, naku, matutumi yan. Mukha ha?
Number 21. So good. Okay. Foul. Number 13. First personal foul. First team foul.
Madaming ibig yan. Oo, ang dami.
15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound na number 13.
Teacher's Day eh.
Number 30.
Ang daming pagganap.
Ten seconds to shoot.
Valentine's Day ba kayo? Oo, yung Valentine's Day oh.
Same ball.
Pag gano'n yung...
Elvira. No good. Rebound by Omaras. James Favor, 25-22 in favor of Team Babalova. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Wow. Number 13 again. Second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution rep. Lumawag sa substitution, magsasablaw mo, hindi pagdaraw mo sa gitna. Air ball. Remaining time 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Fifteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Sabungan takbo siyang
Origina.
ano yung
Tenang sa Ronaldo sa tres. Air ball. Number 7. Pick. Pick again. Number 2. Official score 26-24. In favor of Team Lova. Remaining time 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Same ball.
mami noon. Lapas ko rin tayo. Trinta nga doon. Mga trintado. Wala trintahan ng pagkisi. Hindi mo nga gano'n.
Foul. Number 21, holding foul. First personal foul, third team foul. Substitution red.
Napulat ka lang pala. Parang buwag.
15 seconds to shoot. Iba may Orbita. Substitution
Sabi.
left.
Versado.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
Pinasala na naman.
Foul. Alvarez. First personal foul. First team foul.
Nung ano, nung...
No good. Yawit. Official score 28-24 in favor of Team Loba.
Pabagaw na.
Remaining time 5 minutes. At this, Libon by Alvarez.
Papakita nga daw.
Olivida. Set. Foul. Number 21, it's your second personal foul. Warning for
Nasa
penalty.
kabila pa daw. Oo. Parang mamaya pa yata labas ako.
Durant.
May sala pa po. Tangina niya.
Jump ball.
Ayun talaga sa
Foul number 45. First personal foul. Second team foul.
sayang. Ano?
Official score 30-24 in favor of Team Bagaloma. Team Loba. No good. Remaining time 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Tuloy again. Pinasa ko lang. No good. Ibang by Alvarez. Tuloy again.
Gulang talaga yung ay, nagiging ko sa lipstick. Kapag wala sa lipstick ah.
Number 21 for 3. No good. Remaining time 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Official score 32-24 in favor of Team Loba. Olivida. Alvarez. Olivida again. No good. 14 seconds to shoot. Throw it. No good. Olivida. Alvarez. Ibang by Olivida. Out of bounds. Timeout, team. Timeout.
Ano ba ng ano nila?
Out of bounds. Remaining time 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Kaya uwi, gusto papakit. Pinasa sa ilalim. Foul.
Hindi pa na-shoot eh, hindi pa
Moving foul
na-shoot.
number 1 is your first personal foul. Penalty. Foul! Number 9 is yours. First personal foul, third team foul. 15 seconds to shoot. Mendes. Revares, it's your second personal foul, warning for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot. Foul!
Di ba na-shoot eh?
Number 11 is your first personal foul penalty.
Sala po.
Connect. Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds. Official score 35-24. Iwan by Revares. Let's go it. Back to it, throw it in. Official score 37-24.
Magandang pasahan.
Team Bagong Looban. Bagong silang po pala, bagong silang. Mendes, Noel. Noel pa rin. Out of bounds. Remaining time 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Naku pula.
15 seconds to shoot. Run! 7 seconds to shoot. Official score 40-24 in favor of Team Bagong Silang.
Kanina loob.
4
Bagong silang
seconds
na ngayon.
remaining. Mendes. Foul. Basket count. Who's foul ref? Revares. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Uy. Tumayo ka dyan parang.
Mendes for the bonus shot. Iwan by Revares. Let's go to backfield.
Ay putang inasala.
Remaining time 27 seconds. Reveal Foul.
Ang kanasi po.
Warning for graduation. Penalty.
Kapag-graduate na ang hayop. Porkit wala si Juntes.
No good. Reveal again. No good. Iwan by Revares. Remaining time 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Goal for team. Not basket. Not basket. Reveal again. Pass number 13. No good. Number 2 again. Foul.
Paul?
Number 31 is your second personal foul, first game foul.
Paul pa din yun. Wala.
Connect. Same ball. 14 seconds shot clock. Given the number 31. Game for 2, official score 44-27 in favor of Team Bagong Sila. Warning for the late game.
Ibang energy.
Di ba
15 seconds to shoot.
Ay, game pala. Kala ko dito.
Good for 2. Official score 46-27. Try again. Third personal foul, second team foul.
Malapit na.
Time, 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Nilabas na. Nakaupo. Nakaupo na.
Verona. The press. Official score 49-27 in favor of Team Bagong Sila. Yes, we move. Foul. Number 14 is your second personal foul, third team foul. One for one, official score 49-28 in favor of Team Bagong Sila. Foul. Basket count. Number 29, pushing foul. Second personal foul, first team foul. Same ball.
May isang palo pa. 6 minutes pa. Abot ako.
Good. Hello. Official score 53-28. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Traveling violation.
Susundo yung satellite mo.
Mendes. No good. Out of bounds.
Ay, tangi.
Villame, good for two. No reply. 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Rona, good for 2. Fifteen seconds to shoot.
Ooh. Ooh.
Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for 2. Number 13. Number 9, foul. Number 31 is your first. Good for 1. Official score 57-32. Good for 2. Villame, good for 2. Vida, side step. Number 20. Good. Good for 2. Official score 59-36. Seconds to shoot. Narona. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Narona, good for 2. Official score 61-36. Good for 2 again. By number 13. Official score 61-38. Remaining time 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. Foul. Number 23, it's your first personal foul, warning for penalty. Substitution na ref. Hello. Good for 2.
Eh, naku.
Out of bounds. Time out. Team Valencia. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Foul. Number 1. First personal foul. Penalty. Ay, di ba daw po pala penalty? Second personal foul, second foul po pala.
Baka mabaksakan na ng May fake yan.
Last 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Malis ka dyan, may nanonood.
15 seconds to shoot. Foul. Pushing foul. Number 29, it's your first personal foul penalty. Good for 1. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Shoot!
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Second personal foul penalty. Good for 1. Okay. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Low. Last 20 seconds. Traveling violation. Last 15 seconds. All of wrong.
Balik ka na po, baby dyan.
Hello. Bye. No good. Counter. Who's foul red? Numbers. Hello. Good for 1. The official score is 6. And good for up. Team Bagong Silang.
Hi, Vance! minutes pa. Isang foul ko na eh.
Hello, go coach. Hello. Perdido. Hello. Over 2, official scores.
Travel.
Oh, hello. Substitution na. Wala na po ang mic. Wala na. Hello. Pwede nyo eh. Number 13. No good. Hello. Official score 65-51 in favor of Team Bagong Sila. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. No good. No good again.
Gagi!
Wow. First foul ulit. First personal foul. Second team foul. Kaya yung battery pa rin. Go. Thank you, man. Battery po, battery. Hello, may kinagat na po ng mga bata. Ano daw po?
Kailangan ko yung mami.
Hello. Battery po, battery. Battery.
Shoot! Yan!
Hello. Over 3, official score 68-52. Over yan eh. Hello. Hello. Last 7 minutes. No good. Over 2. Official score 17. Hello. Number 29. Over 2. Official. Hello. Meron?
Kuya!
Hello. Hello. Time out, please. Time. Hello. Aaron Rollins. Hello. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Hello, hello. Last 5 minutes and 50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Hello, hello. Over 2. Hello. Official score 74-58.
Nakita mo na wag mo. Meron nga kami dalawa na lang.
Hello. 10 seconds to shoot.
Wala naman inaas pa rin. Hindi ko na naman
Hello. Hello. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10. Hello. Yeah. Hello. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 22, official score 74-60. Last 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Out of bounds. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Still, may laro na. Okay, official score 74-63. In favor of Team Bagong Silang. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Out of bounds. Wow. Number 31, it's your timeout. Team Bagong Silang. 15 seconds to shoot.
Wala, hindi. Ha?
14 second shot clock.
Oo.
10 seconds to shoot. With for two, official score 74-65 in favor of Team Balusina. They are away. With for two, official score 76-65. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Foul. Who's foul the ref? Number 14, it's your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Good for one. Iba namin na sabihin. Nago. Last 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Wow, first foul ref. Number 29 again, it's your third personal foul. First team foul. Adding back, good for one. Very good. Last 1 minute and 12 seconds. Very good again. Last 1 minute. Eight seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Last 39 seconds.
Ano yun?
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 15 seconds. Wow. Piso. Last 5 seconds.